Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Learn English with Corn. I'm so happy you're here today. In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to learn English effectively. If you've been learning English for a long time but still feel stuck, don't worry, you are not alone. Today, I'll show you simple and clear ways to improve faster. This lesson is great for beginners, so relax and enjoy. Let's get started. How to learn English effectively. Many people want to speak English well, but sometimes, they don't know the right way to learn. They study hard, but they don't see progress. Today, we will talk about how to learn English effectively. Let's begin. 1. Set a clear goal. Ask yourself, why do I want to learn English? Do you need it for your job, school, or travel? When you have a goal, you have a reason to learn. This helps you stay motivated. 2. Learn a little every day. It's better to study 20 minutes each day than 3 hours once a week. Learning every day keeps your brain active. You don't forget as fast. Make English a part of your daily life. 3. Practice all 4 skills. English has 4 main skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Many people only read or listen. But to speak well, you must also speak. Try to use all 4 skills every week. 4. Listen as much as possible. Listening helps you understand real English. You learn how words sound. You learn how people speak naturally. Listen to music, stories, or YouTube videos. Even 10 minutes a day helps. 5. Speak without fear. Don't wait until your English is perfect to start speaking. If you wait, you will never speak. Mistakes are okay. Mistakes help you learn. The more you speak, the better you get. 6. Use English in real life. Don't only study from a textbook. Use English in daily life. Write your shopping list in English. Talk to a friend in English. Write your thoughts in a diary. Use English often. 7. Make learning fun. Learning should not be boring. If you enjoy learning, you learn faster. Watch movies, play games, sing songs, read books or comics you like. Smile and have fun with English. 8. Review and repeat. Don't try to learn too many new words at once. Review old words and grammar often. Repetition helps your brain remember. It's okay to forget. Just review again. 9. Be patient. Learning a language takes time. Sometimes you feel slow, sometimes you feel stuck, but don't give up. Every small step is progress. Keep going, and you will improve. Final words. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep trying. Practice a little every day. Use English in your real life. Enjoy the journey. You can do it. Thank you for listening. Good luck, and see you in the next lesson. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. Keep practicing every day. You're doing great. See you next time.